Alrighty, welcome back, boys and girls. It's your main math man, Mr. Shang, coming to you live from Walker Grant Middle School. And for Thursday's warm-up, it says you will roll a 6-sided number cube, and you will flip a 2-sided coin. What is the probability of rolling a 5 on a number cube and flipping tails on the coin? Are these events dependent or independent? And then it says to show your work below, which I will do just now. So I have for you already kind of set out. Again, anytime you see a number cube, it's talking about a die or dice. Again, it has 6 equal sides as they are labeled specifically for that number. So again, we're looking for the probability of rolling a 5. So if you see on here, again, if I have how many total sides, so again, anytime you're finding the probability of an event, it's the count, so that's whatever the count of that event is. So specifically this, if I have the probability of rolling a 5, is that what I'm looking for? Rolling a 5. How many 5s are there? Well, again, you can see it there labeled carefully. There's only 1 5, and then we say the total possible count. So we count the number of sides that there are on that die, and there is only 6. So again, our ratio or our probability would be 1/6. So now, are these events independent or dependent? So if I roll this die, does a side fall off? Does it affect if I flip this coin on either side? These don't interact with one another, so therefore it does not change, meaning they are independent. So again, these are going to be independent. Again, that means does not change. Let me actually make sure this is on your, and you're able to see it for yourselves. Zoom in a little. It's about right there. Does not change. So again, these don't affect one another. So now, how many sides? So we're looking for the probability of a tails. How many tails are there on a coin? Well, there's a heads and there's tails, and so we have 1 out of the 2 sides are going to be tails. Again, to find the compound event, meaning both of them at the same time, you would write it as a multiplication. So again, you're saying the probability of rolling a 5 and at the same time flipping a heads, flipping a tails, is as follows. You just write these 2 fractions multiplied together. So 1/6 times 1/2. You can change them to a decimal if you'd like, or you can just multiply carefully. So for instance, if I have 1 times 1, that's 1. 5, 6 times 12. Yep, let's try that again. 6 times 2 is 12. And so you know you are good. Again, try to write that decimal for yourself as well. We have 1 divided by 12. Well, it's going to be that 0.083 repeating, which is about 8%.